This is a 2008 BMW X5. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 4.8-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, an air suspension, X-Drive, cornering lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.